In version 8.0 and higher of the system, there's now a new tab for viewing work in process and bill of materials and work order data for a specific inventory item. So these would be different types of records, like work in process records with the status of in process, or master jobs that include master bills of materials. So you could see for this P-1001 oatmeal cereal inventory item, I have 3 jobs. One, the status is in process, one is a master job, and one, the status is a new job that just got put into production. Master BOMs, master bills of materials, and jobs can be used to create sort of a template for an inventory item, which includes all of the bill of materials, raw materials that will be used to manufacture the inventory item, and it'll also include work orders, and you could also use these work orders for estimating for a particular inventory item, and then you can select that that job ID or master job ID. You can enter that into the use cost from job ID field, and that will set the raw materials and labor costs into this inventory item. So these records are for jobs and master jobs that are entered in the work in process module to manufacture a product for finished goods, or manufacture a raw materials item in-house to be put into inventory. But these records do not show where a raw materials item was used on a particular bill of materials. You can find that information by doing a search in the work in process module. And to find more details about these jobs and master jobs for this inventory item in the work in process module, I'll go ahead and click the main menu button, and then click the work in process button, and then I'll filter the list of the value list to only show products, and then I'll click the enter find mode button, and then I'll select the P1001 inventory item. And now it brings up the same 3 lists of work in process records that we saw in the lists in the inventory module. One is a in process record. The second record in the work in process module is a master job and master bills of materials for this inventory item. And then the third is a work in process record that has the status of new. So this, and then to find specific details for these jobs, you can click on the Run Details tab, and this will show finished jobs, the completed quantity, any lots that were created for this job. Or you can go to the BOMs/Work Orders tab, and then you can navigate to a bill of materials or a master bill of materials for an inventory item, and this will show all of the raw materials that were used on this bill of materials and the inventory levels for all those raw materials. And then I'll navigate back to the BOMs/Work Orders tab, and I'll click on a work order, where a work order not only holds work order details, but it also holds estimating details and scheduling details. And no details were actually entered into this record for scheduling. This is a test record, and if you wanted to learn more about the estimating and scheduling, there are training movies in this series of movies in the work in process set of training movies.